Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. But now I want you to listen very carefully because this video might be the most important video you watch this year. I am not saying this to sound dramatic. I am saying it because you are losing something every single day without realizing it. You are losing your brain, not in a scary way, not like a disease, but slowly and quietly, your brain is growing older, weaker, and slower. And most people do nothing to stop it. You scroll your phone for hours. You repeat the same boring routine every day. You avoid anything uncomfortable. Then you ask, why am I forgetting things? Why don't I feel smart anymore? Why does life feel heavy and dull? The answer is simple. Your brain is dying. If you do not take control now, if you do not protect it, if you do not train it like a muscle, you will slowly become a zombie. Awake, but not alive. This video is not for people who want easy tips. This video is for people ready to fight for their mind. For people who want to stay sharp, creative, powerful, and full of life at 50, 60, or 70. In this video, I will share 16 powerful habits to keep your brain young. These are not boring ideas you see everywhere. These are raw, real, and tested by people who want to stay alive mentally. If you follow them, you will think faster, speak better, and feel stronger. You will wake with energy. You will sleep deeply. And you will stop feeling like life is passing you by. This video will also improve your English. While training your brain, you grow your English confidence too. Let's begin now. Chapter 2. Habit 1 is using your other hand sometimes. It sounds simple, but this habit is a mental weapon. Almost no one uses it. Think of your brain like a tree. Every time you do something new or difficult, the tree grows a new branch. When you repeat the same actions daily, the tree stops growing. Using your non-dominant hand forces your brain to wake up. You are not just moving a hand. You are building new neural connections. You are training your brain to stay flexible and sharp. If you always use your right hand, try eating with your left today. It feels awkward. You may spill food. You feel frustrated. That frustration is growth. Your brain says this is new. I must focus. That is how learning happens. People who do this kind of training often have better memory and faster thinking. Start today. Write your name with your other hand. Brush your teeth with it tonight. Do it to fight mental weakness. Because easy habits create lazy brains. Habit 2 is doing one hard thing every day. Most people want comfort. They avoid pain and fear. But the truth is simple. Your brain stays young only when it struggles. Comfort slowly kills it. Doing one hard thing daily trains your mind like a warrior. Hard things include speaking English when scared, waking early when tired, saying no to junk food, talking to someone new, studying one page when exhausted. Each time you push slightly past fear, your brain wakes up. It remembers strength. It remembers life. You do not need to change everything. Just one hard thing daily is enough to keep your brain alive, active, and growing stronger every single day. Chapter 3. There was a man named David. He was 44 years old. He was once smart, curious, and energetic. But now he felt tired, unfocused, and weak. One day he asked his doctor why his brain felt old. The doctor answered honestly, "You stopped doing hard things 10 years ago." That sentence changed David. He started small. He took a cold shower for 20 seconds daily. He read one page of a boring book. He walked 20 minutes alone without his phone. After 30 days, he said his brain felt electric again. Not because of pills, but because of struggle. Here is your challenge. Pick one hard thing today. Not tomorrow, not someday. Today. Do it. Tomorrow, do another. If you do not, Comfort will slowly destroy you. Habit 3 is staying away from screens every day. Here is the truth. Your phone is making your brain stupid. Not slow, stupid. Scrolling forces your brain to jump nonstop. It never rests. It never focuses. This is like feeding sugar to a child every few seconds. The result is chaos and weakness. Most people cannot sit in silence for 5 minutes. They panic. They grab their phone. That is addiction. That is brain rot. Think of people always online. They reply instantly. They scroll constantly. But in real life, they cannot focus. They forget things. They feel tired and mentally slow. Too much screen time steals your attention, memory, and peace. If you want a young brain, you must control screens before they fully control you. Chapter 4. So, what should you do? Start small. Turn off all screens for 30 minutes daily. No phone, no music, no videos. Just sit, walk, think, or write. Let your brain breathe. Do this daily and your focus returns. Ignore it and screens will control your life. Habit 4 is sleeping in a dark, silent room. Ask yourself honestly, do you sleep with lights on, television playing, or phone beside your head? If yes, you are damaging your brain while sleeping. Sleep is not only rest, sleep is repair. Your brain cleans itself, strengthens memory, and balances emotions during deep sleep. But deep sleep needs darkness and silence. Even small light keeps your brain half awake. The result is fog, tiredness, and poor focus. Imagine two people, same age, same stress. One sleeps in darkness, the other sleeps with lights and notifications. After 1 month, one feels energetic and sharp. The other feels tired and unfocused. Same hours, different quality. Your brain needs real sleep to survive. Habit 5 is walking alone in nature without your phone. When was the last time you walked alone without checking a screen? If you cannot remember, your brain is trapped. You were born to feel life, not notifications. Nature resets your nervous system. It lowers stress. It boosts creativity. It heals focus. Even 10 minutes helps. A woman named Eliza suffered panic and brain fog. Her therapist told her to walk daily without her phone. At first, she hated it. After 1 week, she felt calm again. Nature reminded her how to breathe and think freely. Chapter 5. You must make your bedroom like a cave. Pitch black, silent, no phone nearby. Use curtains, eye masks, or earplugs if needed. This is not a small habit. This is life-saving for your brain. If you sleep with distractions, you are not resting. You are slowly rotting. Habit 5 continues with walking alone without your phone. Choose a park, garden, or quiet road. Leave your phone behind. Walk and listen. Hear the wind, hear birds, hear your thoughts. If boredom scares you, that means your brain is addicted to noise. Walking alone helps you regain control. It reduces anxiety. It improves memory. It makes you feel alive again. People fear silence because silence reveals thoughts. But those thoughts are important. Avoiding them weakens the mind. Facing them builds strength. Make this walk daily, not for fitness, for survival. Because a brain that cannot be alone cannot lead your life properly. Habit 6 is reading something that challenges you. Most people read only what they agree with. That keeps the brain weak. Growth happens when your beliefs are challenged. Read something uncomfortable. Read ideas that confuse you. Your brain grows through confusion. That confusion forces deeper thinking. That effort keeps your brain young and powerful. If your mind never struggles, it never strengthens. Challenge it daily. Read difficult ideas. Question yourself. That is how wisdom begins and mental youth survives longer. Chapter 6. Let me tell you about Marcus. He was 36 years old. He believed money was evil. He hated rich people. He thought success meant greed. One day he read a book written by a millionaire who donated most of his wealth. Marcus was shocked. His belief cracked. Not all rich people were bad. That single book changed how he thought. It did not make him agree with everything, but it woke sleeping parts of his brain. Now he reads uncomfortable books on purpose. He says his mind feels 10 years younger. This is the power of mental challenge. Your final challenge is simple. Pick one habit today. Do not try all at once. Choose one. Practice it daily. Protect your brain like your life depends on it, because it does. Your brain controls your focus, memory, confidence, and happiness. If you let it decay, your life shrinks. If you train it, your life expands. This video is not motivation only. It is a warning and an opportunity. You can stay sharp at any age. You can feel alive again, but only if you act. Start now. Do not wait. Believe in yourself. Work daily. Fight comfort. Protect your mind, and never give up. If you want more videos like this, stay with this channel, practice your English, train your brain, and take control of your life today.